Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make a JLPT form. First, understand the application timeline and key deadlines for your region. You will need to gather necessary personal information and identification documents, such as your passport. Next, choose your desired test level, ranging from N5 to N1, based on your proficiency. Finally, prepare a digital photo that meets the specific size and background requirements. Now, let's dive into the online registration process. Begin by creating an account on the official JLPT registration portal. It's crucial to carefully fill in all personal details exactly as they appear on your identification document to avoid issues. Then, upload your recent digital photograph, ensuring it adheres to all specified guidelines for size and format. Lastly, select your preferred test location and a suitable test date. After entering your details, it's vital to review all information for accuracy before proceeding to payment. You can complete the payment using an accepted method, typically a credit card or bank transfer, depending on your region. Once payment is successful, confirm your application submission and immediately save the confirmation email for your records. Remember to print your test voucher as soon as it becomes available, as you will need it. Once your application is complete, regularly check your registered email for any important updates or announcements. It's a good idea to familiarize yourself with the test center location in advance to avoid any last-minute stress. On test day, remember to bring your printed test voucher and a valid form of identification. Aim to arrive at least 30 minutes before the scheduled start time to settle in comfortably.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.